everybody, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome. I am Lisa, and if you're not new here, thanks for coming back. So we are down by the meat bird pen that we built, and we're starting on the pheasant pen. We are going to take our time with this, do it over the course of a few weekends. So today is the start of it. So let me show you what we're doing. So there's our meat bird pen straight ahead, and you can see we're putting poles on the outside. So in the interest of efficient use of space and work smarter, not harder, we already have a wall. So we are going to put the pheasant pen on this side of the meat bird pen where you see the posts. We've got them in the holes. We've got them cut. It'll have a little bit of a slope roof like the meat bird pen does. And that way we only have to do 3 walls. And it'll also be a multi-purpose pen, which is what we typically build. And the reason why we do that is because we have small acreage and we want to be able to use it for a variety of different animals. So we're basically going to build for the 12 pheasants an 8 by 33 foot pen, same size as the meat bird pen. And that'll give the 12 pheasants plenty of room, and they'll have peepers on, so that'll give them the 22 square feet per bird. If they're not peepered, they need a lot more square footage. So we're gonna try and do this with all the stuff that we have on hand. I don't know that we have enough, but we're gonna give it a shot. So today we're getting the poles in, and I'll bring you back and show you where we're at. Ryan's in the background right now. He's cutting down some trees to use in place of lumber, which is what we did with our meat bird pen. The great thing is Ryan's cutting down a bunch of small trees so we can use them, but it's also clearing up the property to get more sun. All right, guys, so we are working smarter, not harder, like I said. And so this is the first phase of it. I'm not going to go through the whole thing. We just did this for the meat bird pen, so you guys got the idea there. But just wanted to show you, we got the cattle panel up and the posts up, and we've got several weeks to get this done. So we'll just work on it a little bit at a time. But it's looking good. You can see things are getting really green around here. We had the pigs in that pasture up there yesterday, and they're out enjoying the sun and the hay today. There's Grant. Sherman's got to be right next to Eleanor, and Fiona's chowing down on some hay as well. But it's a beautiful, beautiful day. Even the meat birds are out enjoying things. So I think what we're going to do is take a nice buggy ride and enjoy the rest of the day and get some downtime. All right, guys, so that's the beginning of the pheasant run and what's going on here today. So I hope everybody's enjoying a beautiful day today. And today's Sunday, so you'll see this tomorrow, which is Monday. And have a great day. Take care.